These little lights here on the bottom are bulldogs. They bring the harvest inside. And he's bringing the straw on the trailers here. I hope you can hear the thunder here. Sorry for the sound of this bulldog here. Can you see the little light under the thunder here in the darkness? That's he's bringing, he's doing the harvest. Sounds like a case, but I'm not sure. Whoa, this is a heavy rolling here. Oh my goodness, it turns on and on. So the little light on the left side, next to the red one, I don't know if you can see it. No, you cannot see it here. So I'm going back. The little white light in the bottom left corner. This is our camping place here next to us. This is a big thunderstorm here. One moment, I'm changing my position. So I think we are going back slowly because the raindrops start here, and on the other side where he's taking the straw on the trailers, we saw another kind of lightning, so we don't want to be in danger. That's why and I think it's coming also more up to our side here. I hope you enjoy the video. Please give a big thumb up, hit the like button, and don't forget the bell button to click on it so that you can get more videos and further notifications from myself. My name is Dagi from Hardcore Vlog. Bye for now. As you can see, we decided to stay here on this place because here next to us is a little house. I call it a house now, a barn. So we are a bit more safe than first expected. Now the wind is coming up here, and and here from my back the wind is coming. That means this thunderstorm maybe is coming to us now. And here, this one is our little city over there, and here is the other thunderstorm coming. And this is our little village here. So we are a bit outside of our village. Let's see if I can get a lightning here too from this side. Yeah. So you saw now the cloud very clearly. And it's rolling very deep. But I'm turning my back again because this one is more interesting. Sorry to say that. Ja, es wird stärker. Das ist nochmal anders, Leo. So this wind is becoming more and it starts raining. So we are back in the next video. Bye. This was Dagi from Hardcore